Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. We'll wait for some more time, right?
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
few
Ma'am,
students are there.
yeah, ma'am, you had just told us to show us the sample of all the tests which you can get.
Today, unfortunately, my Geo work network is not working. I'll
Okay,
share,
okay.
don't worry. I'll share as I have been sharing files with you. I'll share. Even now,
Oh,
also, I'm connected from my phone only. I kept trying since 3 o'clock, it is not getting connected. The samples also I had stored in the computer. There's no point in waiting for the network to resolve. There is some problem in our area, maybe. Is that okay?
yes, ma'am, sure.
I'll share the files and taking pictures of each instrument or apparatus, whatever I get, I'll show you through pictures and with descriptions also. Okay, that will solve the problem to some extent.
Okay, ma'am.
You have an informal group among the students?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, I'll share, then you can share with the whole group. And I had shared also, since you were asking, I'll send you ICD 10. I shared DSM 5 with one of the students. Did you get
Yes, ma'am.
access to?
Yeah. I have already shared it with the group.
Okay, since you were asking, and mostly you will be administering these tests when there is an issue or you identify there is some problem with the individual, you will be measuring them, right? So you should know briefly about the classification system of the mental diseases. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts you have regarding experiment?
No, ma'am.
Baby steps for each age group, and when the child is small, he'll be asked to the parents or the caregivers. I'll send you the samples. I spent a quite good amount of time in arranging all the pictures. Now it is not connecting to the internet. What to do? I'm trying still. I'm trying. If I get connected, we'll share. We have done the family pathology scale, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sociometry also we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then comes span of attention. Should we start the class?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you want to wait for some more time? How many students are, since I'm from my phone, can you tell me how many students are logged in?
13.
14 only. We'll wait for some more time maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
14
okay,
only.
okay, okay. What is attention? You have done the theoretical part of all these experiments. So you must be knowing about attention. How the chapters are arranged in general psychology book. First comes attention. First sensation, then attention, then perception, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is attention?
Maybe it's a process of concentrating on specific things. It's a cognitive process.
Yes, all are cognitive processes. Perception is also a cognitive process. Attention is also a cognitive process. So you are paying attention to, very simply, when you are, for example, here, you have many stimulus conditions in the environment, right? So when you are paying attention to one of your sensory information, here at this point, you're paying attention, your ears are working, you're listening to the talk or to the class. So this is auditory sensation. We are converting it into a meaningful perception. So it becomes perception. First, your sense organs are working, then you pay attention to it, which is again a cognitive process. After paying attention to it, you decide whether you should be paying attention to the outside noise or to the class session that is going on. So accordingly, you are giving it a meaning. So you can say, I'm doing classes on so and so, and today we are going to learn all that, whatever you are perceiving, that is your perception process. Then you try to store the data, so we'll cover that also. You are gathering the information or the data, then you are arranging it serially, and you are trying to store it in your memory. So we'll be also focusing on sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Okay, so these are different processes which are working in coordination with each other so that you can have a meaningful life. Ultimately, what matters? You should be enhancing all your mental capabilities so that you can adjust immediate to your immediate environment, right? ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏତେ ପଢୁଛେ ସବୁ ଏଗୁଡା କଣ ପାଇଁ, ନୁହେଁ କି? Okay. So span of attention experiment you have in your course. Let me check. Okay. Not a homie. Phone to rob me. था. Is it okay if I am not visible also, I believe?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
This internet is a problem actually, and the phone is not able to stand on its own. Okay. So there is a span of attention also. When you are talking about attention, you are converting the sensory messages into, you're giving some meaning to it by paying attention to it. Suddenly there will be a sound of the car horn coming from your background, so you are paying attention to that also. If you are expecting somebody to come to your place, again you will be more attentive to that sometimes. So depending on your expectations also, your sensory organs are working, right? That is why when you are at home, you are expecting your friend to visit you. Even if there is somebody else who is knocking at the door, you would think that your friend has come, right? So there are many processes that are working together to let you know about your environmental conditions, and it prepares you also to respond to the environmental conditions. That is why we always say that it is establishing a connection between stimulus and response. And who is responding? The individual who is receiving the stimulus is also giving a response to the condition. Okay, that is how the environmental factors come into play. They are the extraneous variables, we call it. And we try to minimize the environmental factors or the extraneous variables role when we are doing the experiments. Clear? Okay. So these are all parts of your cognitive psychology. Perception is a cognitive process where sensation is interpreted and organized in a meaningful way. You must have heard about Miller's magic number.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
There is a number 7 plus 9, or it will be, if we minus 2, then it will be 5. We
Yes,
can receive up to 7 number of anything that
yes,
is
it is the
stimulus.
range of your
Attention.
attention.
Uh,
Hmm?
yes.
7 plus
Memory.
minus 2.
Hmm.
7 plus minus 2 is
Okay.
the Miller's magic number. That is how the numbers in the vehicles are also arranged. A lot of experiment has been done on that also. That is how the name plates in the speeding vehicles are within that limit only. So that if you are trying to remember a speeding car or a speeding motorcycle, you can remember a chunk of the number digit, that is numbers or alphabets, how it is arranged. You can reproduce that in case of urgency. Okay. So span of attention is that is used to refer to the maximum number of simple objects correctly perceived. It has to be correctly perceived also. There are memory tests, there are span of attention tests also you will be conducting. Uh, I think I have told you about the possibility of you all going to the center and refer to the old practical books, notebooks. Did you tell
Yes.
your friends? Inform everybody that since we are not having online offline interaction, you are allowed to visit the center and find out practical notebooks which have already been produced by the students, pass out students. You can go through them, you can take note of all that is required, then you can prepare your practicals accordingly. And be honest when you are doing those practicals on yourself or with your friends, whoever is taking the subject, who is becoming a subject also. You have to give the exact information that you're supposed to give, establish a rapport. Okay.
Ma'am, we have a small problem regarding this.
Sorry.
Ma'am, we have a small problem regarding this. Our study center is no more a study center
Your study
of
center is?
IGNOU. No more a study center of IGNOU.
No,
Now
no,
RC
I
is our study center.
doesn't matter. The notebooks will be there. Practical
It
notebooks
will
of,
be given in the regional center.
yes, in Bhubaneswar office, I believe. You can find out.
They will give you.
Yes, if it is there, or they will guide you where to find it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Wherever it is, they would know. They will either give you or they will guide you how to procure one old notebook on practicals that you're supposed to do. That won't be a problem. That should not be a problem also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this presentation of the number of objects during the span of attention test was done by Woodworth and Skolsberg in the year 1954. These are all year-wise. If you see, these have been repeating. There are many recent studies also, Indianized version of all this. You have to keep track of, because if some test is not Indianized, if it is not culturally set up, culturally adapted, then it is not going to be a valid test. Because, for example, the words you used or the pictures that you are using, it has to be specific to our culture also. You cannot show the picture of an igloo and then ask the subject to memorize it also, right? So that is the importance of cultural adaptation of the psychological test. Okay. And when the nature of various stimulus items are presented randomly, the maximum number of items or objects will be grasped by the individual who is taking the test. And the span of attention will be also measured accordingly. And as per the Gestalt psychologists, they say that we perceive things as a whole. So we will be not paying attention to the smaller details, but as a whole. That is why in WhatsApp you have seen, you must have seen this. उल्टा पुल्टा करके सब दे आई थी वो, but you can read it correctly, isn't it? Then it will ask you, go to the number 4 or number 1. What did you read? You read it correctly, but the spelling was wrong. something like that. You must have seen such messages in WhatsApp. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Since we don't have the
Yes, ma'am.
test in a hand to refer to as an example, we'll try to remember examples from what we have already experienced in our real life situations. That is the best way we can adjust with the non-availability of the apparatus or of the memory or of the items that can be used in a practical class. Okay, so it is the same. Like the remembering the numbers also that you see on running vehicles, that is also the same. Okay. You sometimes overlook the typological errors also, which is called proofreader's illusion. When people are, that is why people write, after writing their book, they go through many proofreading processes, and it is normally done by an outsider, so that the writer or the author will have a tendency to correctly read something mispronounced, spelled items also that he has written. He will have a tendency to read it correctly, will correct it maybe and read it, because his mind is working at a very fast rate because he has written the book. So they normally let the book go through few editors who will be editing the mistakes that they observe in the writings of the author. Okay, so this is called proofreader's illusion. Then attention also plays an important role in perception, in cognition, and in action. So it influences the choices the individual is making. When you pay attention to a particular stimulus, you are presented with the choices that you are going to make, whether you want to pay your attention to the current stimulus that is presented to you, or something is overpowering your perception and you are getting diverted. Okay, so when you decide consciously that you are going to pay attention to something, your memory will work better. That is how you refer to the, again we'll do the memory experiment also. Ebbinghaus was the person who has worked on the memory experiments. So we'll go to that also. Okay. And when you, there are examples also in your book when you can see typological errors will be there and you will have a tendency to overlook that. Have you seen a memory drum? For span of attention, you have to go through a stachytoscope or there is an instrument which will show the item for a very small fraction of second. Then you have to see the word or digits, then you have to memorize and reproduce that also. You will get to know when you go through the lab setup and see the apparatus, visit it one day, and you will have an idea actually. The day you're deciding to go and collect the past notebooks from your department, then you can contact somebody to tell you. Okay. So Wundt, Wilhelm Wundt was, he's considered as the father of experimental psychology. And he was the first person, only person, you can say main person, who contributed to the study of attention. The relationship of attention and perception is one of the first topics to be studied in experimental psychology. And Wilhelm Wundt, as he is known as the father of experimental psychology, he did his experiments on attention and perception. He mentioned that attention is an inner activity that causes ideas to be present to differing degrees in consciousness. So he suggested that the focus of attention could narrow or widen depending on your inner process. Then came Helmholtz in the year 1821 to 1894. He was there and he did more experiments, and he said that attention is necessary for visual perception only. So he used the experiment on himself only, and briefly visible printed letters as stimuli he used, and he found that attention could be directed in advance of the stimulus presentation. For example, when you are going through a page, even if you are focusing on a fixed point in the page, you can read other things also. Your eyes will be fixed at a central point, but attention was limited. He also found that attention was limited, but normally we see other things also, isn't it? Even if your eyes are fixed on one point in the book, you can reproduce other words or something that you noticed. Even if your eyes were fixed at one point, you can reproduce that also. So there were criticisms to what he held as his finding of the experiment. Okay. You will conduct an experiment based on span of attention using tachystoscope. Tachystoscope is again, I'll send you the pictures. Today is the last day of our class, but I will continue sending in the next 2 days. I'll send you the pictures of those apparatuses so that you get familiar with them. I don't know which kind of apparatus you will find in your practical setup, but at least you will get an idea how these things work. Okay?
Okay.
Then comes the last experiment is on memory. What is memory?
The retention part of the information.
Memory is retention of your perception, perceived words. Or retention, you said.
Retention of information.
Retention of information, very good. That is the definition of memory. So what exactly memory is? So you think an area in the brain can be localized for being responsible for memory?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Which area then?
Hippocampus.
Hippocampus. Okay. Then I'll tell you an interesting experiment also. Then you will keep wondering where exactly memory lies.
Not only
Dimundia,
hippocampus, in hippocampus, memory will consolidate.
yes.
There is many brain parts, visceral brain parts, which play a vital role in memory actually. But
Okay.
consolidation takes place in hippocampus mainly.
Okay, okay. There was this experiment done on the what is it called? जो दीटा मुंड थाए सेटा साप भलिया दी मुंडिया साप भलिया होथांती. I'm just not getting the right word. Memory is failing. My memory is failing. The it's a
ଆପଣ ଦିମୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ସାପ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା?
दी मुंडिया साप को कौन कहती
ଚଉମିଣ୍ଡିଆ
सेटा? दी मुंडिया साप जो थाए सेटा कौन कहती? Some they crawl in both direction. So anyway, an experiment. You all understand what I am referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So an experiment was done, and the one side of the head was exposed to fire of this worm or that creepy crawly thing. So then they observed that it has some memory in its cells. How come they? How could they know? Because when they expose the other side of the head, also it doesn't die immediately. They cut it into half. ତାକୁ ମଝିରୁ କାଟିଦେଲେ ତାକୁ ଆଗ ଗୋଟେ ପଟ ନିଆଁ ଦେଖେଇକି ଡରେଇଲେ so it was trying to escape the fire and heat by progressing in the opposite direction ଆଗକୁ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଗଲା ତାପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ fire ଆସିଲା ଡିଏସଏଲ କାଠି ଲଗେଇଲେ ତାକୁ so ପଛେଇ ପଛେଇ ଚାଲିଲା then they cut it into two halves ମଝିରୁ ତାକୁ ଖଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ then other head was also exposed to fire so it remembered actually how it feels like to be subjected to a hot object like that. So ଦେଖିକି fire को ही से ପଛେଇବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲା because these ones ଏଗୁଡା ସବୁ creep जो crawl କରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବଞ୍ଚନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ କାଟିଲା ପରେ ବି. So it had the memory of being subjected to fire through the other head also. So that was a condition they observed. So they said that it has two brains, so it can remember that fire is not very pleasant. We have to escape it. तापर ताकू earthworm उपरे कले experiment. जार गोटे head earthworm रो नुहे की
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ताकू भी सेमती तार मुंड पाखरे नै कि देखेले सो ताकू तापर खंड करके ता मुंड टाकू सेपरेट कर देले and then when the body was subjected to fire, was exposed to fire or hot object, then it started reacting to the hot object also. So each cell in the memory in the body is having some kind of memory. It was arrived at conclusion that our whole body has some cells which are responsible for memorizing things in our life. Convincing enough?
sensory memory na ma'am that
Sensory
kind of
memory. Exactly. जोटा हमें करिबा एबे it a memory experiment, that is the 8th experiment that you will be doing. So it has a sensory memory. Sensory memory, when it is only human beings have a long term memory. Even all the animals, out to tomorrow macharo se jo taro few seconds पे थाए खाली or for few fractions of seconds maybe goldfish रो थाए. So there are three types of memory: sensory memory, short term memory, and long term memory. Okay, so sensory memory is something we receive several informations that from our environment is throwing at us, and through different sense organs actually we are perceiving all these informations. We are giving perceiving means we are giving meaning to the information that we are gathering through the sense organs, isn't it? So meaningful perception of sensation, meaningful interpretation of sensation. Perception is meaningful interpretation of sensation. Sensation is the definition that is given in the books, right?
yes ma'am.
So meaningful interpretation means you are giving meaning to the sensory information actually that you are receiving, which is not registered yet. You're trying to figure out what did I see. So if it is familiar, something that you are seeing, already you have seen, then it becomes easier for you to give it a name. Isn't it? Otherwise, it just goes like that from your attention. So it will not be recorded in your attention. So it will not go to your perception, neither to your memory. If you're not paying too much attention to something random which is occurring in the environment. Okay, if it has no interest, it doesn't excite you, you don't pay attention to movies also. When you are going with your friends to movies, sometimes you get bored and you don't realize that you are not actually watching the movie even if you are physically present in the movie hall, right? So something there is a concept called figure ground relationship. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Figure ground relationship is some informations, sensory informations that you pay attention to becomes the figure, and rest of the information goes to the background. And again, when you focus on the background, then figure becomes the background and background becomes the figure. Okay. For example, you are paying attention to the messages that you are receiving on your phone right now. You are you are having you are being engaged in conversation with your friend, you are messaging your friend, class is going on at the background. Suddenly you will hear the exam dates, so your attention will be focused on the date, something was said about dates. So your focus will be shifted to the class. So class was in the background, but it has become the figure because your attention shifted because of the importance that you are paying to certain events, isn't it? So they interchange, they keep changing. The figure becomes background, sometimes background becomes the figure also. So sensory memory is when you, at a particular time, to what sensation you are paying attention to. For example, when you are listening to the instructor and you are also looking at the instructor at the same time. Here you are not looking, your auditory sensation tells you that class is going on. So you are paying attention to the information and rejecting other sensory processes that are still there in your immediate surrounding. Right? So short-term memory,
ma'am.
again, that is all about your sensory memory. Short-term memory, it normally
Short-term
lasts for how many seconds it lasts?
20 seconds.
Yes. So once you pay attention to the selected information, it is passed on to the short-term memory. You're paying attention and you think or you find it important and you think it has to be remembered, then it gets a place in the short-term memory, and from short-term memory, you are paying conscious attention and it gets shifted to the long-term memory, because short-term memory is only for 20 seconds. Okay. So at this point, the information that you are receiving through sensory memory is held up to 30 seconds, not 20 seconds. It's 30 seconds. Okay. Half a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
So there are two laws, if you remember, law of recency and law of primacy.
Yes, ma'am. There is two laws.
କୋଉଥିରେ ପଢିଛ?
Perceptual error, I guess.
ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ମନେ ପକେଇଲେ ମନେ ପଡିବ ତୁମର ଲର୍ନିଂ ରେ କରୁଥିଲ, when you are giving the incentive for doing the right move for some activity that is getting rewarded, if you reward, forget about all that, you are teaching your younger sibling. ତମର ସାନ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ଥିବେ କେବେ କି ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଥିବେ, ପଢଉଛ ତମେ ତାକୁ. If the child is doing very well in the test that you are giving to the child, so you want to reward the child so that the child remembers. For example, you have asked the child to memorize the tables and he is doing it very nicely. After 1 week, you will give a gift to the child saying that you did well in the, remember, you did well that day on memorizing the table, so this is the gift. Will that be effective, or immediately if you are rewarding the child, that will be effective?
Immediately, if we give a reward to the child, it
yes.
will be effective.
So law of primacy and law of recency, that is how. So law of recency is this: when something is recently achieved and you are rewarding it, it will follow the law of recency, you would say. Law of primacy.
Madam, law of recently learned materials are better remembered.
Law of primacy, recently you are rewarding, recent activity ପାଇଁ ତମେ reward କଲ. Primacy ଯେ first ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଟେବୁଲ ମନେ ରଖିଲା, ତା ପର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଫେଲ କଲା,
ମାନେ primary learned materials.
ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ସେଇଟା ହବ ପ୍ରାଇମେସି, ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟେଷ୍ଟଟା ସେ ମନେ ରଖିଲା, ସୋ ପ୍ରାଇମେସି ଇଫେକ୍ଟ, ବାକି ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଉ ତାର ମନେ ରହିଲାନି, ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ମନେ ରଖିଲା.
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ ଆସୋସିଏସନ ନା ଫରୱାର୍ଡ ଆସୋସିଏସନ,
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ବି ଅଛି, ସେଇଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟାରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଫିଟ୍ କରିବନି.
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ, ୟେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ,
ଏଥିରେ ନୁହେଁ କି, ଏଥିରେ କି ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ରେ ଫିଟ୍ କରିବ, ସେଇଟା ତୁମେ ଆଗରୁ କରିଛ, ସୋ ପ୍ରାଇମେରୀ ଆଇଟମ୍ସ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ରିମେମ୍ବର୍ଡ ବେଟର. ସୋ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷକୁ ତୁମେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରିୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଇଦେଲ, ତାକୁ ଟେବୁଲ ଦେଇଥିଲ, ସେ କରିଦେଲା, ତାକୁ ରିୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଲ. 1 more day, ତାକୁ ଟେବୁଲ୍ସ ବି ଦେଲ, ଟେବୁଲ୍ସ ଦେଲନି, ଏଥର ଦେଲ ଆଲଫାବେଟ୍ସ ଲର୍ନ କରିବାକୁ, ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ବି ଲର୍ନ କରିବ, ଦେନ୍ ହି ଲର୍ନ ହାଉ ଟୁ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସେସ୍ ଅଲସୋ. ସେ ତାର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଥିଲ ତାକୁ ଭଲରେ ମନେ ରଖିଦେଲା, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ମନେ ରଖିଦେଲା, ଲଙ୍ଗର ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଟିକେ ଖରାପ କଲା, ଆଉ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଫର୍ମେସନରେ ସବୁ ଭୁଲ କଲା. So first ଯୋଉଟା ସେ correctly reproduce କଲା, that is law of primacy. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଭଲରେ ମନେ ରଖି ପାରିଲା ନୁହେଁ କି primary so
The
similar
same thing, I
example
think, same thing, ma'am, I think happens in case of performance errors. Like suppose the organization is assessing the employee on his or her performance, looking into the recent developments he has done in his organization.
yes
So that
yes
becomes a recency error.
yes
So
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର quarterly evaluation ରେ ସେମାନେ reward କରନ୍ତି जो ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କରନ୍ତି year end ରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ encourage ନ କରିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ quarterly they keep encouraging their employees also ନୁହେଁ
Yes, ma'am.
so recent effect ଟା ବେଶୀ ଥାଏ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଲେ they can relate the result with the response with the stimulus I did well so this is the reward I am getting law of primacy that is an explanation they are giving to why they failed ମୁଁ ଆଗେ ପଢିଥିଲି ସେଟା ମନେ ରହିଲା slowly I got distracted I couldn't focus ଯାହା ବି ସେମାନେ explanation କହିବେ so recent item ଗୁଡା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଭଲ କଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
yes, ma'am.
ଆଉ ବାକି example who was that some boy was saying so ସେଇଟା forward ଆଉ backward association ଆମେ ନେଲେ ବି ସମସ୍ତେ ବୁଝି ପାରିବା ଦରକାର ତାକୁ କିଛି simplify କରିବାକୁ ଆଉ ଉପାୟ ନାହିଁ real life situation को लेके ना କରିପାରିବା କରିପାରିବାନି ନୁହେଁ who was that I'm connected from my phone so I don't really have access to all the names that are displayed here clear who was asking the question forward and backward
Ma'am, Sujit, sir.
association Sujit is that clear
Yes, ma'am.
so we are just trying to give examples which we can relate to what we have already studied or which we get to see in a regular day-to-day environments okay forward backward association जदि बाकी माने करी थांते I would have said समस्त सेही बैकग्राउंड रो नुहंती परा ठीक
ସେଟା
अछि
କଣ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଟିକେ କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ ଆସୋସିଏସନ
ସେଟା ଆଉ କିଛି ତମର ଜମା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ କରନି ଏତେ ଗୁଡାକ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ର থিওরি ତୁମେ ପଢିବ ଭାଇବା ବୋସ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରେବି ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଜିନିଷରେ ଜମା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପୁରାଉନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଜମା ଏଇ 8ଟା memory ତମକୁ 8ଟା experiment ଲାଗୁଛି but viva ରେ anything can be asked I don't know had I been an external maybe I would have asked related things instead of on the experiment କାହିଁକି ନା ତମର ଏମିତିରେ ବି you are going to compete with the regular students even if you are not doing the offline mode class we will assume that you are equally good like the regular students and you must be good also so for that you have to really be prepared with all the information that is possible to link all these topics okay खाली offline mode रे distance mode रे करूचो but I want you all to be equally armed with the right kind of information that will help you to become a psychologist okay
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ପେପରଟାର ତମର ଯେତିକି ରିଲେଟେଡ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ସେତିକି ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ କରିଦେବୁ ତାପରେ ସବୁ ଜାଗାର ଟିକେ ସାମ୍ପଲ ଆଜି ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ବଟ୍ let me check if the internet is back no it's not okay the serial position effect ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା instead of that serial position effect do you know how to prepare the random memory test যেটা তোমার randomly memory test ପାଇଁ ତମର produce କରନ୍ତି ସବୁ nonsense syllables and meaningful words do you know how to prepare nonsense syllables
नो ମ୍ୟାମ୍
okay if I give you instructions you have a pen and paper
ୟେସ୍
okay let's do that then we'll proceed with the experiments how that will be
Ma'am,
done we'll see
CDP formula.
There is no formula. There is a easy way normally. Randomly, they will be, not randomly, I'm so sorry. They will be presented serially. Sorry? Repeat again.
Um, consonant vowel consonant
Yes,
vowel
yes, yes. So A, E, I, O, U, ଲେଖି ଲେଖି ଚାଲ ଖାଲି ତଳକୁ ତଳକୁ 10ଟା ଲେଖ, ଦିଟା ଜାଗାରେ ଲେଖ A, E, I, O, U, ରିପିଟ୍ କର A, E, I, O, U 10ଟା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Meaningful words say whatever you are going to write, it has to have some kind of meaning. It should be a meaningful word. For example, A ଲେଖିଛ, you write, then the first letter will be to the left of A, E, I, O, U. You will keep on mentioning the consonants. So L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T ସେମିତି ଲେଖିକି ଯିବ. U କାଟିଦବ ସେଠୁ, because U has already been taken as the middle letter. ଲେଖିଲୁ? Or B, C, D, F, G, H. ହେଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Give me an example. What did you write? Read it out. 2 or 3 words. ଦିଟା ଥାଇକି କଣ କଣ ଲେଖିଛ? Then
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
the
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
third,
ୱାର୍ଡ ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ହବ
ନା
କି
word ନାଇଁ, ଦିଟା ଖାଲି ପଢ. Then the third letter you will write which will make no meaning. So accordingly you write X, Y, Z, keep on writing as the to the right of that vowels in that you have written. For example, if you have written L, A, then the third letter will be, to make it
N I
L, A,
I think X
X, yes.
X
Then similarly, these are all meaningless words or nonsense syllables, they are called. Quickly, just to save time, this is how you can prepare the list. And similarly, you can take another list which has meaningful words like man, land, boy, not boy, but boy भी होगा, sorry, boy भी तो होगा, है ना? And there has to be some gap between each word, so that when you are showing the items to the participant in the experiment, they will see only one word at a time. एपटे scroll करी roll करी जीव सेटा तमरो memory drum रे attach करिथिबो. They will see only one word at a time. Okay. Meaningful word list गोटे, nonsense syllable list गोटे. बनिला ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର?
ନାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଏଇଟା ହେଲାନି କେମିତି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଆପଣ କେମିତି କହିଲେ
ଆଜି ତ ଏଇଥିରେ ବି ନେଟ୍ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? Forget about the vowels writing first. M, A, Z. It is having some kind of resemblance to maize. So seta haboni tomorrow nonsense syllable re. M, A sangara ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୁହ କଣ ତମେ ରଖି ପାରିବ, or anything. L, A or B, A. M, A, G, mag. Okay. এটা ହେଲା ତମର nonsense syllable. ସେମିତି ଆଉ କେତେଟା ତମେ ଫର୍ମ କରି ଯିବ? मझिरे तांकर जो वर्ड रखुचो सब नॉनसेंस सिलेबल प्रिपेयर करूचो मझिटा नॉर्मली वर्बल्स साउंड करिवो सो दैट दे विल look like or appear like meaningful words but they will have no meaning. That is the trick. Okay, बुझिला
Yes, ma'am.
कौन कौन बनेलो क्यार कहार फनी सबटु बनेला देखिबा
मैम फनी तो नहीं है बट ऐसे रैंडम.
randomly बनेचो तो
Yes.
okay you got the idea how to prepare nonsense syllables.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that is how you will prepare. Then you will show to the subject one by one by attaching it to the memory drum. Memory drum गोटे अछि तमरो सेथिरे तमे अटैच करी कि तार गोटे छोटे ओपनिंग थिबो तमे ताको स्क्रॉल करिले it will present one word at a time. Then you will ask the subject to reproduce it. About this experiment on memory, Ebbinghaus was the first psychologist who did this experiment with the help of nonsense syllables. The examples are given here. So what is a nonsense syllable? If the examiner asks you, you would be saying that it has no meaning, though it looks like a meaningful word, it has no meaning.
Ma'am, is it mandatory that the word should look like it has some meaning?
आमको तो कहूली नहले तमे जदि एकदम उटपटांग जिनस रखिबो सेमतिर तो मन रहि जिवो ना because it's completely different. If it is for example or it has some similarity to meaningful words, then you can land dekhithilo. So land would be easy to remember because it is a meaningful word. Aguru seta meaningful nathila. Land amaro land system jab asla land got a meaning. Earlier it had no meaning. Right? LAN network tomorrow ebe kamo korchise na 25 years back or 30 years back LAN had no meaning LAN. So in some cultures or in some setups the word might have a meaning. को भाषा रे जदि के कथा कहउतिबो तार किछि मीनिंग थिबो केम जानिबो राइट हमर लोकल लैंग्वेज रे केते गुडा हमें स्पोकन वे रे यूज करू छे जोटा हमर ओडिया ठू डिफरेंट साउंड करे ओडिया भडिया भी सुना जाउथले ओडिया नहे सेमति भी अछि देखिछो नेपाली भाषा पूरा ओडिया भडिया सुना जाय किंतु सेटा ओडिया नहे आसमीज मानकर भी सेमती ओडिया भडिया सुना जाय नै कि
Bengali also.
बेंगली तो वर्ड गुडा भी मिसी जीवो माने मीनिंग प्राय एका बाहर जाई बारे बेंगली also yes that is why so this is one way of constructing the nonsense syllable. So if they ask you is there a way of constructing the nonsense syllables एबे सिना तमे 10टा लेखा बनाउछो किंतु बहुत गुडा पेशेंट ऊपर पिलांग ऊपर जदि तुमे टेस्ट करबा को चाहूछो तमे केते बसी की भाबी बनैबो क्विकली लिखि देलो तापर काटी काटी दबो जोटा एप्लीकेबल हबोनी. Hundreds of nonsense syllables you cannot make by just spending time and thinking. Quickly write it down like this using this formula, then strike out if they have a meaning. एमती भी पारे केतले मीनिंगफुल बनि जीवो से वर्ड गुडा नै कि
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
सेति पे एबे छिन 10टा लेखि तमे एक्सपेरिमेंट करिवो बट इन रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस व्हेन यू आर आस्क्ड टू मेजर द मेमोरी of a group of school going children then it will be very difficult to prepare so many lists. सेम टा भी तमे रिप्रोड्यूस करि परिबनी सब पिला पई केना से मन डिस्कस करिवे तांकर few times तांको देखे देला they will remember the words also, that also happens. Okay, ठीक अछि.
Ma'am, I want to add something in this.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
as we are writing the nonsense syllabus, we can relate it to when we first time look at any technical concept.
Yes, because you are aware about the test and why it is being conducted, and you are thinking of relating to a known item because you don't want to do horribly in the test. Think about the participant who is coming for the test who has no idea. You put yourself in their shoes. They will have no clue what you are going to do with them. And then immediately you are just establishing a rapport, then explaining the test to them, and you are doing it. So they will have no time in thinking about if they are using some similarity of the memory, they are using it, then it is a different thing. In the introspective report, they will write it. ସବୁଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ introspective report ରହିବ ନା, so ସେଇଥିରେ ସେ ତାର ଲେଖିପାରେ, since the word sounded familiar to me, I tried to remember them by associating them with my known knowledge of different words. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତୁମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ତମେ you are thinking about these possibilities because you already know about the test. That is why the subject should be a non-psychology student. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I was not asking about the test. I was just relating this concept of nonsense syllable to our everyday life.
Yes, you can relate to that. VOX, Vox. So somebody may remember that as box because it is sounding like box, but the spelling is VOX. Okay. You can relate to that as which you already know. Something you already know. So if you already know this sounds like box, then you can remember that, and while giving the response also, you would easily say VOX. Even if you perceived it as box, but you will reproduce it as what you saw. It becomes easy to memorize. That is why mnemonics gote podicha mane achi memory re, how to improve your memory. Mnemonics.
आज्ञा मैम जो किसी भी जिनिस को मेमोराइज करिया पे तार क्लू नेकी जो हमें पढ़ो.
Yes, yes. So the idea behind doing all these experiments is actually तमे कोन पिलर memory से to measure करी छाड़ दलो ए पिलर किछि memory होनी. You are there to provide the solution also, right? Doing the experiment only is not going to solve the issue. It will only guide you how much poor or how good they are in the memory. Okay, then you can think of improving their memory by using some techniques. ଯେମିତି ତୁମେ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢୁଥିଲ କେମିତି ମନେ ରଖୁଥିଲ ସବୁ ଇୟର, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ୱାର କେବେ ହେଲା କି akbar period, you were trying to relate that to something, or the Sippar mutiny, how it was remembered, 1857, how will you remember that? You will relate it to something, then you will remember na kemti karuthlo. Everybody has a different way of memorizing, of course.
आज्ञा सबु जिनिस जेमते कि पीरियोडिक टेबल हमें मन रखुथिलु.
Yes, you develop your own
chemistry
logic to memorize, isn't it? But could you explain that to your friend and ask them to remember like that? That is your unique way of memorizing.
मैम गोटे डाउट अछि.
हाँ कुह.
मैम जोटा फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी बोली हमें कहूचे सेटा माने केमती ता विषय कोन हमें कहि परिया.
सेटा visual memory तुम्हारो.
ओके मैम.
सेटा तुम्हारो visual memory.
sensory
Photographic
memory आसीबा ना.
हाँ, visual memory is the best this is. सेते पे मु तुमको कहि ना मु कहि बनी पढ होमवर्क बोली कहि कि थटारे कहिले जो because you remember better when you see something and try to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, do this photographic memory work in long text also?
In long
Text,
test
text format,
format.
text format, like books and like articles, like journals. Because we
Depends.
read a lot of stuff, but we don't remember anything at the end.
It depends how much importance you're attaching to your time spent on something. Because it is all said and done, it is an internal process. When you say it is an internal process, your conscious approach will be the main criteria. How consciously you are trying to remember that, and you are setting your the way you set the table when you are serving your dishes, the way you are doing other things also. Here also you are setting your mind for how long you are going to remember them. That is how a small example I would give you. तुम्हारा एग्जाम बेलू जहाँ पढ़ुच जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जाम, डे बिफोर द एग्जाम, सेटा भलो मन रुहे ना वर्ष सारा जहाँ पढ़ी सेटा बेसी मन रुहे?
Day before टा जल्दी मने रहे.
Because you are attaching very much importance to the exam next day, right? Then what happens after the exam? You might forget because you have set up you have conditioned your brain not to remember them, and you have already given an idea to the brain that these are not going to be important after I appear the exam. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସବୁ ପିଲା algebra ସବୁ ଭଲ କରନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଏଟା memory ରୁ erase ହେଇଯାଏ.
मैम एटा सब सबकॉन्शियसली हुए ना एटा वॉलंटरीली भी कंट्रोल करी हुए?
It is subconsciously होची. You are conditioning your brain accordingly. By
Okay.
in a very subtle way, things are working in our brain. We cannot pinpoint to something and say that consciously. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ତୁମର law legal system ରେ ବି when some crime is done consciously by planning for it, then it has a severe punishment. ଯଦି ଜଣେ ନିଜର ଲାଇଫ କୁ ଡିଫେଣ୍ଡ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଲା, subconsciously ସେମାନଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର conscience ଟା clear, but consciously they did an action that was to defend themselves. तो ता ପାଇଁ punishment कम
Cold
होची.
blooded.
Yes, cold blooded murder ପାଇଁ बेसी बड़ punishment because they plan it. नहीं कि?
हाँ.
So similarly, all subjects are actually interrelated. So you can think of examples from anything they have taken from psychology or something which is because it deals with human behavior only, right?
But ma'am, what makes the difference between a person like who is having a good memory and a poor memory, and like after a certain age, if there is a loss in memory, like do they have a chance of revival? Like
That is why we have to reviving the memory. You can make your memory strong.
Yeah, making it strong. I mean.
Yes. So giving self instructions, preparing yourself, and having this memory aids like mnemonics is just one example I can think of right now. But yes, you can work on your memory. For example, those old people who have a problem in remembering or who realize that their memory is failing, we ask them to count backwards by skipping 4, 4 or 5, 5. For example, they will count like 204, not 204, 205, then 201. Then you keep on increasing the gap. सेमती गोटे भी एग्जांपल दे कि तुमे करे परिबो सेमानंकु. That is one way of
like memory in case of 40 to 60 years of age, crystallized memory, or
as people age, the crystallized memory will be intact.
Okay, ma'am.
ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସବୁ ଯେମିତି ମନେ ରଖୁଛୁ, ଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ସେଭ୍ସ 9 ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ତମର ହେଲା, ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେମିତି ଅଛି ଯେମିତି, ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ এইগুলা ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କର ମନେ ରହିବ. ଦେଖିବ old people will be using these things more because they have a sing ତମର ଯୋଉ ଢଗ ସବୁ ଓଡିଆରେ ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତି ଢଗ ଢଗ କୁହନ୍ତି ତ proverb କୁ
proverbs
proverbs ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଢଗ ଢଗ କହିକି if you interact with old people or your even your grandparents also they would be using too much of these examples ଏମିତି ଗୀତ ଗାଇ ଗାଇ ସେମାନେ କଥା କହିବେ because that is how they memorize things କେବେ ଦେଖିଛ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଗୁଡା ବେଶୀ ୟୁଜ
yes
କରିବାରେ
yes ma'am
Amazing.
yes so that is how and moreover people will differ from each other କାହାର ବେଶୀ memory କାହାର କମ memory ହବ that is quite natural you cannot bring everybody to one score only and that is no standard way of saying also that people should be having memory capacity of 100 to 100 they should be able to reproduce the words 100 times correctly that is no way of measuring because that is why in psychology we always pay importance to the individual differences we always say that people will be different from each other right
ma'am is it possible that the acuity will be different from the memory capacity
yes
like performance would be different than storage capacity of the brain
yes everything will be different even forget about the ability of the brain think about the body itself human bodies are not the same some people will have only one kidney since their birth maybe they don't know they realize when they develop some problem and when they go for medical checkup they will get the result that they just have one kidney okay so if nature has arranged people in different ways, so it is quite natural to have different memory abilities, different mental abilities also, and they will not be similar to each other. Isn't
okay
it?
ma'am yes ma'am thank you
yes ma'am
Yes.
Madam,
Okay. We are. What? Yes.
madam, in case of memory, memory can be trained, madam. There is a technique called
You.
memory palace technique.
Sorry.
Madam,
What technique?
memory palace technique ଅଛି ma'am. So that
Me-
way memory can be trained. Memory palace technique ରେ କଣ ହୁଏ madam? You imagine a house, ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା ବି known area ଥିବ. When you collect the information, you put a particular
ସେଠି
page.
ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବ ତ ସେଠି
Yes.
ସବୁ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରିବ ଜିନିଷ ରଖିବ
ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି
recollect କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା easy ହେବ.
ସେଟା ବହୁତ ଲୋକ without studying about it also must be using that
Yes.
you never know what techniques people are using differently even if they are not trained about these memory techniques they are unconsciously doing the same କେମିତି ମନେ ରଖିଲୁ ନା ମୁଁ ଇମାଜିନ କଲି ଘର ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଯାଇକି ସୁ ପାଖରେ ଖୋଲିଲି ସେଠି ମୁଁ ମୋର ବହିର ଏଇଟା ମନେ ପକେଇଲି ଏଠି so when they remember the shoe thing they will be memorizing that information correctly ସେମିତି ବି ଅଛି ସେଇ ଟେକ୍ନିକ କହୁଛ ତ ଯୋଉଟା
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
ସେଇ activity ଟା will trigger the information that is
Yes.
always there stored in your
Once
memory
we remember that activity,
Yes.
automatically information ଟା recollect ହେଇଯିବ.
yes
ଯେମିତି କେତେ ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାଡମ ସଙ୍ଗ୍ସ ଟୁ ନହେଲେ କେତେ ଜିନିଷ ଟୁ ରିଲେଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ମ୍ୟାଡମ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଥିଲେ
ସେମିତି ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲେ ମନେ ପଡେ ସବୁ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା that is
ma'am
how କୁହ
olfactory stimulation
ହଁ
ମାନେ
କୌଣସି
smell
ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ରିଲେଟେଡ କିଛି
Smell ରେ
ଦେଖିଲେ
ବି-
ବି ମନେ ରହେ
ସ୍ମେଲ ରେ ବି ମନେ
ପଡେ
ପଡେ ପିଲାଦିନ ମନେ ପଡେ କେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଥିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
by smelling a particular smell you get reminded of your episodic memory ଏମିତି ସବୁ ତମେ ପଢିଛ ତ ଏଗୁଡା ନ ପଢିଥିଲେ ଆଜି ପଢିବ ଫେର ସବୁ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଜିନିଷ ପଢିବ ଫର
ପଢିଛୁ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଟାଇମରେ
yes ma'am
so that ଭଲରେ ବେଶୀ ମନେ ରହିବ ବୋଲି ନା
ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଓଭରଭ୍ୟୁ ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଟାଇମରେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲରେ ଦେଖିଥିଲି
okay ଭଲରେ ଦେଖିବ କାହିଁକି ନା even if you're doing this course out of your choice because your choice that is very important so I want you all to be good enough in the exams that you will be appearing in କେବେ ଭାବିବନି ଯେ you are any less than the regular students you are doing other activities that is why you are not capable of giving so much time to the regular classes but you can give extra effort and compete with them right
yes ma'am
Yes.
ଆମର ତ ସରିଗଲା 8ଟା experiment you tell me now what to do or you can clarify your doubts everything and I'll send you the apparatus pictures and whatever possible I am getting my hands on, I will give you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, that would be helpful. Thank you.
Yes, I'll share the pictures of these experiments. And if you get time also, you go to the regional center and ask about the old notebook so that you can write all these experiments in a nice, clean manner and submit
ma'am.
the practical notebooks so that they will be informed. They will be informing you about the exam date also. First, you do your part of job. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I got into a trouble with the internet. Actually, in our area, the internet is not working because I was using Jio. So I was hoping I would share everything today because I knew this will take less time to complete the other experiments. But it's all stuck in the computer. I should have shared it yesterday also,
Ma'am,
screen sharing.
tomorrow send me those information.
I'll send you the pictures so that you don't have to put extra effort in finding the memory drum pictures and everything. I'll send you. Targetoscope, metronome ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି metronome କଣ ଜାଣିଛ ଦେଖିଛ କେବେ?
No, ma'am.
metronome ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟିଲ ର ଗୋଟେ ବାଡି ଲାଗିଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ପିରାମିଡ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିବ ଗୋଟେ wooden ଗୋଟେ ବକ୍ସ ଟେ ଥିବ ସେଟା ଟଙ୍ଗ 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 ହେଇକି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ କରୁଥିବ ସେଟା metronome
କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ?
ତମର କୋଉ ଆଇଟମ କେତେ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ତମେ ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଅଛି ସୋ ସେଇଟା ତମର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଦିଥର ବାଜେ ବୋଧେ और केते समय से रिप्रोड्यूस करि परिबो सेटा सेट कर से तमे ताकू बंद कर दोथबो डिपेंड्स आजकल तुमरो तो स्टॉप वॉच आसिलानी बहुत बड़ा जिंस ऑब्सोलीट हे जिवो बिकॉज़ ऑफ द न्यू गैजेट्स स्टॉप वॉच आगुरु थिला पचारिबला बळकू केते समय नउची we used to have dictaphones also to record the verbatim report of the subjects ए सब आजकल तो दरकार ने सब फोन रे हे जाउची ना
आज्ञा
okay what to do we finish the class so quickly any questions or any doubts that you have we can clarify that
Ma'am, recently I was reading about a theory and it said that some people think in pictures and some people think in like verbally and some people use the mix of both of them. Is it true? Like, is it really happening inside our brain?
they think or they dream
They think. Some people think in pictures and some people think verbally and some people use mix of both of them.
Okay let me address the question differently while answering okay the introspective report that the subject will give you it is a subjective experience of the person who is participating in your experiment right isn't it the introspective report what is an introspective report that you are writing in the practical notebook से जहाँ verbatim report verbatim report ta within quotes तमे लिखुचो or you are asking the person to write in his or her own handwriting actually that is how the introspective report will be reproduced in the practical exam also you have to ask the person to write the introspective report you cannot write the introspective report for your subject that you know right
Yes, ma'am.
okay so when the subject is reflecting back on his thoughts what he was going through while undergoing the testing phase is it possible that they will be honest while answering that or they will skip some information no eta lekhiba important nuhe कहबिनी but they were thinking 100 things when they were shown the items or you were explaining them the experiment but they are not going to write pages after pages in the introspective report they will just say a few sentences only it has been also tested Why do they do that? Because there is a filter actually in our thinking, and when we speak also, we think about so many things, but the filter that is attached to the thoughts, that will actually help you to filter things out and say only the socially desirable things. Social desirability ita sitpe ette amara importance diya hue. So to eliminate that, actually we focus on neutralizing the test, so that the person who is going through the test will not realize what is going to be measured. এটা তো এই সিম্পল এক্সারসাইজ রে তাଙ୍କର ସେମାନେ ଜାଣି ପାରିବେ, but for higher researches you will not let them know what they are being tested for. So ଏଇଥିରେ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ସିନା ତୁମେ ଜାଣିବ ସେମାନେ ପିକ୍ଚର୍ସ ରେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି words ରେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି. So ସେଟା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ what you will do, you have you as the subject first. नहीं कि निज ऊपर टेस्ट करबो तमे थॉट्स रे भाबुछ जो सेटा वर्ड रे ना पिक्चर्स रे. When there is a confusion, pictures रे,
pictures रे.
like films, नहीं?
Again.
You imagine, you bring all the people into your imagination. Yes. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଯାଇକି ତାକୁ ଏୟା କହିବି ସେୟା କହିବି. So it's a combination of pictures or mental figures then associated with some verbal. That also depends, right? It could be a small fraction. Yes, continue.
ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି କି ଇଭେନ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଚାଲେ ହିଁ କି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ହିଁ ଚାଲେ କି ଏୟା ହବ ଏୟା କରିବୁ.
That is why the intensity of thoughts. So, what is more important as you move from normal population to the abnormal population, you know, normal people, you know how they function or how they relate to things normally. That is why there is an average way of looking at things from a perspective, different perspective. And jetebole thinking ta overthinking, why we are saying overthink korni munda kharap he jibo. Parents भी गाली करते पिला को, तो एटा करने you will get into trouble, because there are standardized methods of referring to human behavior as normal. So when it is exceeding that standard, we call it abnormal. So how will we know? Only when semane sabu tankoro schizophrenic mane, for example, or for example those who are experiencing anxiety, social anxiety tankoro hochi. So when they read out their thoughts to you, you will realize how complex their thought processes are, which is not based on any truth or any fact. Okay.
Yes.
So it's all about that filter that is fixed in your brain, not a real filter which is fixed in the brain. I'm just saying, you imagine there is some kind of filter which is letting you behave in a particular manner so that you are perceived as a normal person and nobody is branding you as odd or different or difficult to deal with, right? ବୁଝିହେଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେଡି ପୁରା एकदम ନେଡି ଗୁଡା କହୁଣୀ କୁ ବହି ଗଲା ଯୋ କୁହନ୍ତି, you all are Odias, right?
No, ma'am.
No, then we should refrain from talking in Odia. We are boring the other students. I'm so sorry about the language shift. So when you are not conforming to a standard way of thinking or standard way of expressing your thoughts, and you are just reading out your thoughts, also expressing everything verbally, they will brand you as odd or difficult to deal with, because it's not how the society functions. They will not encourage you to say your thoughts loudly to everybody and to anybody that you come across, isn't it? So it's all about the filter kind of thing, which is guarding our thoughts, which is managing our thoughts and guarding our thoughts, and it is letting us know actually what should be the particular person's behavior in a given situation, because we have observed other people also behave similarly in the particular given situation. So when the situation changes, the behavior will also change and the person might change also. Okay? Makes sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's the psychology subject is not about normal behavior. It is about understanding human behavior, which could be branded as normal or abnormal, or uh, for diseases and symptoms. I have sent you the DSM-5. I don't know if that will be helpful for you because you haven't been taught maybe clinical. जो मैंने नहीं था, those who have clinical specialization, they normally refer to ICD-10 and DSM-5. Okay, but that will give you an idea about the mental symptoms and the ways of classifying these mental symptoms into different categories and naming them also. Okay.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଏବେ କହିଲେ ଏଇଟା କ୍ଲିନିକାଲ ଯୋଉମାନେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ କ୍ଲିନିକାଲ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିରେ ଏଇଟା ଅଛି।
DSM-5 टा
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
हाँ DSM-5 टा तो clinical specialization है तांकर पढ़ा है वो history of clinical psychology, what is the classification criteria, then how
actually clinically mostly ସେଟା pathological way ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କିଛି ବି
pathological
ଜିନିଷକୁ
behavior.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Here in your general normal psychology, you study about normal human population, and when it is beyond normal population's behavior, then that comes under the pathological behavior. That is why family pathology scale is also there. You have one family pathology scale. Kali hame cover kale na. We did that yesterday. Family pathology scale. So that again comes under your abnormal behavior or pathological behavior. So seemingly they appear to be, they normally appear to be normal families, but when you get into the family dynamics, you would understand that there is incoherence in the way they behave, and the expectations, the emotional connection that they have with each member in the family is not really normal. That is how you categorize them into different pathological families. And Bowen is one person. Bowen's full name I am just not able to remember. Bowen has given 9 characteristics of a family, how the family functions. There also, the members who have a pathological connection, they will have different ways of behaving with each other. Okay? You don't have to worry about all this extra information since you don't have clinical in your specialization or paper, but it will help you if you are trying to gather more knowledge. It will help you. So similarly, the technical approaches also to handle such behavior is different depending on what you are going to do with the person while dealing with them or giving them therapy. Okay. So for these practicals to do well and to be prepared for the Viva boards, you have to read again the memory chapter, perception and attention, sensation to some extent, then pathological behavior of family relations. You can go through the social psychology book very quickly so that you will remember just the terms, how people perceive social cognition also, how you perceive people. Okay. You just go through the related concepts to face the Viva boards. I don't know what kind of questions they will ask, but you should be always prepared with the necessary knowledge or information. Right? Any other question? Any other doubt? Any doubts regarding the experiments that you're supposed to do? Once you go through the old students' notebook, I think everybody will get an idea actually how to write. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any more questions?
Ma'am, I have
Yes.
one more question.
Yes, please go on.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to ask, when we read something, when we try to read a paragraph, it
Yes.
simultaneously makes pictures in our brains, right?
What kind of
Normally.
paragraph you are reading?
Any paragraph, like about any topic, like about forest we are reading about, or brain we are reading about. It usually makes sense, like we comprehend it in a movie
Yes.
format in our mind, right?
Okay.
Normally.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, but for some people, it doesn't make sense. Like they know the language, they know how
Hmm.
to read, but still that visualization cannot take place in the mind of those people.
Visualization doesn't take place in their mind. They report it, or you think they are not making any sense of it.
Ma'am, actually, I have this problem. That's why I'm asking it.
Okay. So it's the importance that you are giving to something. Normally, maybe you don't think it is important to remember something. So, in a very what like mechanical way, you are reading something. You just
No,
have
ma'am.
to.
Actually, I like to read about things. I like to know about things. Let me articulate it better. I like to know about things. And the way I found it, that I have to read about things.
Okay. You
But
don't
I know
memorize
the,
also. You can remember
ma'am,
your
cannot.
you
I
cannot
cannot do
remember.
it. I cannot remember.
So you can
Means the,
refer to, sorry, yes,
Mhm.
repeat.
Ma'am, let me mention the things that I have in the scenario. Okay, first, to
Mm-hmm.
make the scenario clear. I
Okay,
know the language.
okay,
I know what to read. I am
okay,
interested in reading it.
okay,
I know that the what I am reading, the subject has a significance in my career.
okay.
But still, that visualization doesn't take place in my mind, and I get really frustrated about it.
You don't remember what you read also, or you can remember.
No, ma'am, I cannot visualize it and I cannot remember it.
Don't pay too much attention to the visualization technique because people have different ways of memorizing things. So it doesn't matter really if visualization doesn't happen. If you are paying too much, for example, if I ask you not to think about something, then the more you will be thinking about that. Then again you will be discarding that thought. Oh, okay, I don't have to think about it. So the more pressure you put on your self, then it becomes a difficult task. Even if it is a very simple task, it might become a difficult task because visualization you will be you will be giving more importance to the visualization process than the reading of the paragraph. You just keep on reading, you do it twice, thrice, then report, get back to me. We'll see how it is not helping you. Don't
Uh,
focus too
Ma'am,
much on the memory of visual memory. Some people have a better visual memory, some people have a good memory without the visual part. It depends. Normally, visual memory is good, but what about blind people? They don't depend on any visual memory, but it helps them. The paragraph reading
and
helps
what,
them to memorize. Yes.
yeah, ma'am, and what about we read something and we cannot comprehend it? What about that?
Refer refer to the dictionary. If you don't know the meaning of some one word in the paragraph also, it might change the whole meaning. So you try to know the meaning of all the words that you are reading. That is one, that could be one of the problems also,
Ma'am,
isn't it?
actually, I went through many reasons why it is happening to me, because this problem I am facing since childhood, and I
But you are
stayed
doing
with
well,
this
you are
problem. I
doing your post graduation, so there seems no problem, isn't it?
Ma'am, actually, I used the short term memory technique. Like I try to mark some points and I try to mark it from syllabus, and then
Mhm.
before exam I try to revise it, and then I get the exam. But the concepts that I have learned doesn't stay in my mind. So if somebody
But
asks
the
me
short term memory is only for 30 seconds. You are capable of memorizing it for more time. So it's not short term memory exactly.
it may be due to Zeigarnik effect.
Yes.
Uh, And after exam I forget everything. And just say randomly if I end up in a situation where some person are facing any problem about some psychological issue, like they're facing some
Okay.
psychological issue, and they ask me about the concept, and I know I have read the concept,
Mhm.
I know I have revised the concept, and still I cannot recall it to
Then why
explain
don't you
it at that
reproduce
moment.
whatever you are learning? Like my daughter does the same. I don't know why she keeps writing so much, but she writes everything that she studies. She also did her post graduation following the same method. I don't know why she had to write, but I didn't interfere much. But she used to write whatever she used to learn. She used to remember all of that and write them onto her notebooks. So there are different ways of memorizing, and if you are okay with giving exams and everything that you can remember for the exams also, it is serving the purpose. The purpose is to be able to write in the exam, right?
No, ma'am, the purpose is to be excellent in my career, in whatever field I am in.
We have individual capacities, highest capacity. If I mean, don't worry too much. I mean, seeing that you are in your post graduation, it is not really a big problem. So if it is not working, then you can change your ways of memorizing things. You can write them all the time that you are studying, underline them, or make short notes in the sides of the book in pencil or something. This way you can, improve your memory. So that when you look at the small notes in the side of the book, you will remember the whole paragraph because you have written everything in bullet points or something.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, it is a bit serious than that.
Okay. Okay. So
Actually, I don't like remember uh, like seeing the page before. If I try to
okay.
read that page, I forget that I have read it before also. It seems like a
Okay.
new situation.
Okay. I'll tell you. So you think it is a serious issue. So what happens when you think it is a serious issue? Normally, people try to solve it on their own, in their own capacity. That is how you have been doing this, right? You have been handling this.
R- Right, ma'am. And I have observed a thing that I usually try to make flow charts of things, and that makes me like remember it for some more
Okay,
time.
very good. Very good. You develop your own method of remembering. That is the best idea, actually. That is how everybody functions normally in the situations that requires them to memorize a whole big amount of data. Okay. So there is no issue as such. I mean, there will be so many others who are sitting in the class also. Some might be resonating with the same kind of thought that you are saying, but they are not saying it maybe. So you are not the only one who is having memory problems like this, who thinks it's a problem, but you are quite good in passing the exams. So it's not quite a big problem maybe. Otherwise, how a clinical way of handling it, I would tell you. If you fail in your exams, parents will think if you are still in your school, then parents might take the child to a counselor maybe. Then they will ask the family history. I mean, history taking, about that has been done in your course, case history taking.
In my graduation level, I did it, ma'am.
Case history taking, tapare tamara post graduation rebe nathila.
No, ma'am. In post graduation,
Okay.
I don't know about next year, but I did it in
Okay.
graduation.
I'll just tell you the steps how this would have been handled had you been taken to the school counselor or to someone who is an expert in providing a solution maybe, or finding out quick methods by yourself also, like the way I'm telling you. You develop a method, then you try to work it out, and when you don't find any result out of it, you will be taken to the school counselor. Not you exactly, I mean, if a child, since from your childhood you have come a long way, I don't think it's a real problem, otherwise you won't have been able to pass the subjects, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have.
I tried to figure out some things. I have failed in exams before, due
Okay.
to this problem.
Okay. But again, you have passed by trying it the second time. Second or third, how
Yeah,
many times? Whatever the uh, number of times could be. But if you are passing the exam, means you are putting in more effort than the previous effort that you are giving.
I try to figure some solutions out. I try to see if things work. Like I use like flowchart methods. I use
Okay.
underlining methods,
Okay.
and
Very good.
one of them seems to work.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So you are trying to handle your life the way you have been handling. That is also a method you have developed by understanding yourself very nicely, isn't it? So normally, if it is a consistent issue with the child and the child is failing all the time, then they will be working with the family to help in memorizing things. Then data sheets will be attached. Then the child will be, trained how to improve the memory. That's a whole different ball game completely. Altogether, they will be working in the family for the child. Hmm. Because the child is not able to pass the exams. Since you have been able to pass, I don't think some people have some issues, and you have this issue which you understand well. That is why you were never taken to the psychologist, right? So when you are saying you have this issue since childhood, but you have been managing well, so that is what life is
Yes,
all
ma'am.
about. So you
Because
are
we didn't have the counselors at that time in our school.
but outside also psychologists were available. The school
Ma'am,
counselor concept is a very recent one.
mm-hmm. Ma'am,
This is
actually,
a,
there was not much awareness about psychologists.
yes. And imagine my
So,
period when I came from Delhi to Odisha. Actually, nobody knew what a clinical psychologist is. They used to make fun of me. So you deal with mad people. So
yes, ma'am, this is what they used to say.
yes, with clinical specialization, it was very difficult to make them understand also. So we had this team of women. Again, no man was included. So they used to call like these three women are going to do some thing. And then we slowly progressed with awareness programs and all. So when we function actually as per the social standards, actually, the understanding of the society will matter a lot. If they don't understand, how will you make them understand and devise certain methods to work with their child? So they have to be receptive enough, right? Because they
Um,
are dealing with the issue. You are just there to guide them and help them to overcome their issue. So they have to understand and come to you. I mean, you means the psychologist, isn't it?
Ma'am, actually, I was asking these questions because I found out that many children have this problem, and I couldn't help them
Yes.
because I don't have much awareness about this issue. That's why I was
Okay.
asking the question that I have
Okay.
this issue, so I want to know more about it from a psychologist point of view
Okay. In future,
because you
you
have
will be helping. In future, you will
yes,
be
ma'am.
also one of the psychologists working in this area, I'm sure then.
Yes, ma'am. Because when
Okay?
we face some issue, we know how it feels to be in the situation.
Yes, yes. So once you are established in this profession, you will know exactly how to guide people because you have first-hand experience also. Okay?
True, ma'am. That's why I was asking this question to you because you mentioned that you have been practicing like clinical psychology from a long time, right? That's
Yeah,
why I was asking this question.
very long time back, I studied with clinical specialization. That was in the year 98, I think. So you can imagine. You all were not born, maybe. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. We were not born.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Any questions regarding the experiment? I think first you have access to one of the notebooks, then we'll be clear how to write the exam also. So first you should be able to write the experiments in your practical notebook and study. the chapters that are linked with these experiments. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any other question that you have in mind? Or we can end the session. Before time.
Ma'am,
I mean.
thank you. Just wanted to thank you for interacting with you. It was a special experience.
It's my pleasure always, because without any interaction, it feels like talking to the walls for 2 hours. So the more you
No, ma'am,
interact,
we're
I will
listening
understand.
intently.
Okay. I should be thanking you because
Thank you, ma'am.
you make it interesting for me to
Actually,
take the
these classes
classes.
are more useful, ma'am, to us.
This is
We are
just the
very
practical.
thankful.
I wish I had taken your theory classes.
Yes, ma'am, we truly wish that too.
Yes, I should have taken theory classes, but I was not well, so I had to agree for a lesser thing. I mean, lesser. It's for an easier thing, you can say. But I have never taught practical, so I don't know how it goes with your people. You will be, studying on
Ma'am,
your
are you
own.
feeling better now?
Yes, yes, I'm always in good health. I mean, the situations tell me that I should not be exerting myself so much, but I'm fine.
Ma'am, then
What has
second year
been your
maybe you could take a theory class with us.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
request for that.
In second year,
Thank you,
take a
ma'am.
clinical psychology classes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I'll do
and
that.
what has been your career journey? Like,
My journey. Like I was a very good student, so I was the university topper. Then I went to Delhi for clinical specialization. Then did my MPhil, post graduation, everything from there. Then it was a part of our course actually to go to mental hospitals for our practical. It used to start from the very beginning, from semester one. We have to go twice to the uh, universities assigned mental asylums. Actually, I was going to Sadhara Mental Hospital, which is now your IBAS. Now means since long back they converted it into IBAS. But we were going to, we means me and my friends, three of my friends, we four people used to go to Sadhara Mental Hospital. Very interesting experiences I had with psychiatrists and very well-known hypnotist also. Wakar Mustafa, Dr. Wakar Mustafa. Very interesting. Actually, I learned a lot by observing people. I dealt for the first time with mental patients. Very nice experience. Then I came back after my marriage. Then here I came back and saw that psychology nobody understands. Forget about clinical. So I got into this awareness thing. Then I started giving. Then I was selected. Started working for women and children on my own. Then I got some kind of recognition. Somebody watched me working sincerely for awareness program. So my name was suggested. I was the district member for Women and Child Development Department's social welfare. Then I got into again academics for my PhD. I got into teaching and research. I keep writing also. That is how it has been. I opened my first center in Cuttack for the first time. Actually, it was in 2003. Then here I opened my center this year only. When I got really ill, I had to stay in Bhubaneswar. So I had to have my clinic also here. That is how I have a second clinic in Bhubaneswar, but that is this year only. Cuttack Center is the oldest. Feel Good Center is the name.
Ma'am, in which area are your clinic in Bhubaneswar?
This is Boromunda. There is a fire station, Boromunda,
Yes, yes, yeah.
near that.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, where is in Cuttack?
Cuttack in Cantonment Road.
Okay.
And the psychiatrists actually used to refer cases to me because in those days, actually, I didn't know how much to charge in 2003-4. So there is a psychiatrist, Tufan Pati. So he actually told me you should be collecting this much from all these patients that we are referring to you. So that is the beginning. I was completely clueless how to function. So this is a long journey, and I'm happy. Being happy is more important than anything.
मैम एक्चुअली मोर डाउट एटा अछि कि एबे एमए साइकोलॉजी सरी गला माने ए इयर सेकंड इयर सरी गला परे तापरे एठी करियर करिया पई मैम जदी विदाउट एमफिल जने निजो केमती मैम एस्टैब्लिश करबो
कोर्स ता सरी गला से ना हाउ मच यू नो
आज्ञा माने सेकंड इयर सरला परे
how much how confident you are about your knowledge, that is very important. Course को मारो बोली तमे तो करे कि खाली सर्टिफिकेट भी पाई गलो किंतु तापरे जदी आसु नथिबो किछि the clients these days are very informed, so they google their condition before coming to the therapist.
तो मैम तो तापई हमको फर्स्ट
पढ़िबो खाली मु तो सब बड़े मते जे जत बड़े पचरे मु कहे खाली पढ़ो, increase your knowledge, then only you can handle your life in your profession, because you're choosing this as your profession, right? So you want to give your best to the profession that you will be choosing for your life. For the next 20-30 years of your life, you will be focusing on psychological counseling only as a career. So why not give it your extra effort and be a master of that?
एक्चुअली मते ए फील्ड रे बहुत इंटरेस्ट थिला फर्स्ट रु ही जतबळे माने मो मोर ये भी करथले बैचलर्स भी करथले नेटा
Okay,
रे
very good, very good.
हाँ माने सेतबळे पेशेंट बहुत सारा पेशेंट आस्तुले जो माने कि माने साइकोलॉजिकली रिटार्डेड थिले बाकी सेठी सेमती तो किछि नथिला साइकोलॉजी वाला जिनस कि नथिला बस हमें खाली टिके टिके पढुथिलु साइको सोसियो आ तापरे ऑटिज्म केसेस एडीएचडी केसेस ए सब आसे तो मैं माने तापरे माने मते बहुत इंटरेस्ट थिला कि मु आउ किछि एक्स्ट्रा जानिबि तो सेथरे मु पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन न करी कि मु एथि को आसी ए लाइन को
Very good, very good, very good. You will find your own way. Don't worry. If you have so much interest, life will.
फर्स्ट रो ही मैं गोटे इंटरेस्ट अछि कि हां मु मोर निजर किछि गोटे क्लिनिक करबी तो माने
Very
ता
good.
पई किछि मैम टिप्स देबे जोटा कि माने मते यूजफुल हबो मो
I'll tell you something. किछि tips कामो करेनी. You develop your own tips.
आज्ञा आज्ञा
Seriously, I'm telling you, because we all are different individuals, and tips means from my observation only I will give you tips, which may not be applicable in your situation. Depending on your personality type, again you are going to do that, right?
yeah
So
Actually.
everything, yes, depends on you only. You are the center, and everything that you are planning for yourself will fall into proper places. You as the center will always be the center.
आज्ञा
Okay.
मैम इंडिया रे भलो हिप्नोथेरापिस्ट अछंती
ମୁଁ ତ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଡକ୍ଟର ବାକର ମୁସ୍ତାଫା ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି ସିଏ ମୋର ମାନେ ଏମଏ ଟାଇମରେ ଥିଲେ ସେଇ ଟାଇମରେ ସାଦରା ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ତାପରେ ଡକ୍ଟର ରବି ନେହେରୁ ହେଲେ ହି ୱାଜ ଅ ନ୍ୟୁରୋଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ ଜିବି ପନ୍ଥ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଏମଫିଲ୍ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଥିଲେ
मैम साइकोलॉजी रे माने हिप्नोथेरापी रो काम भी अछि
ବହୁତ ଅଛି ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ବିଲିଭ୍ ବହୁତ
आज्ञा
ଅଛି
आज्ञा
ମାସ୍ ହିପ୍ନୋସିସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିଛି ସୋ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଅଛି
मैम टिके
Hypnosis
शेयर करबे एक्सपीरियंस सेटा
ଆମକୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ୱାଚ୍ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ଗୋଟେ କହିଲେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଟାଇମ୍ ଏତିକି ବାଜିଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସତରେ ସେତିକି ବାଜିଥିଲା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି I don't know what that was, but we were all surprised. He was just talking to us, and say time re Virappan jo nahi. This is he was also taken for a psychological evaluation with him. He or somebody from his group, I mean, somebody related to Virappan or something. And
to use it as a weapon or
no, to assess his personality or something maybe. We were told not to enter the room, and he was in handcuffs. It was a very interesting experience actually. Say time
Very
I'm talking about. Yes, that was in the year 95-96. So we were very young, and we didn't know what was happening, and we were peeping through the window. And they
मैम आपण
just
चाहले माने पूरा दीटा डिकेड रो ही पूरा सब जानी ही थिबे कि केमती साइकोलॉजी रो ग्रोथ ही छी एक्चुअली रे माने ना
आगुरु जेमते आसुथिले क्लाइंट्स सबु एबे पिला लुचि कि निजे आछुंते पेरेंट्स आउनांती आगुरु पेरेंट्स आनुथिले ଏବେ ପିଲା ନିଜେ
ଏବେ
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି,
ତ
they are
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
paying from your
ପିଲା ନିଜେ
pocket
ନିଜେ
money.
ହିଁ
ହଁ ନିଜେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. So
ହଁ
that is a
ଦେ
big
ଦେ
positive change.
ହୁଁ
That is a positive change, and they know all the terms that we know as psychologists. So don't never ever assume that they are ignorant. You cannot fool your client. So
ୟେସ୍
it's
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
better to increase your knowledge so that people will
ପୁରା
trust you.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ପୁରା ଏଥିକ୍ସ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ହିଁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିବ
Yes,
ସେଇ ଟାଇମରେ।
yes, yes, yes.
मैम जो
Okay.
Ma'am, can you
सबकॉन्शियस
suggest?
Mm-hmm.
मैम जो सबकॉन्शियस टाकू जेमती ट्रेनिंग करिया ପାଇଁ ସବୁ डिफरेंट मेथड्स थाए जोटा यूज करा हुए सीआईए एंड ऑल रे सेई गुडा को ऊपर भी हमर इंडिया रे किछि माने पढ़ा पढ़ी की रिसर्च पेपर्स की किछि एमती अछि की?
हाँ, different branches of psychology अच्छी पढ़ी तो
ଆଜ୍ଞା
यस
there
मैम
are
ଆଜ୍ଞା
different
ହେଲ୍ଥ
branches of
ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ହଁ
psychology.
ହଁ
Health
different
में military psychology अच्छी गोटे, तापरे
ହଁ
यस मैम
तुमरो criminology ऊपरे गोटे तुमरो अच्छी.
ହୁଁ
यस
ये
मैम
सब अच्छी.
मैम
So depend
क्रिमिनोलॉजी और फॉरेंसिक टा सेम हुए की?
forensic psychology.
आगे
ନା
ସେଟା
ଫରେନ୍ସିକ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ତ ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ରହେ ନା ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
କି ଜାଣି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, ମୁଁ ତ ପଢିନି, ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଜାଣି ନଥାଏ ମୁଁ କହିଦିଏ ବାବା ଜାଣିନି, so ଏଇଟା ବି ଜାଣିନି, but one of my students was so interested in Ted Bundy case. ଗୋଟେ ତମେ Ted Bundy, you have heard about this name?
यस मैम
So
यस
Chevra
मैम
Podiki, she used to discuss all these things with me in the class. Then suddenly she said, I am going to Gujarat for my criminal psychology course. So she did her course in criminal psychology and came back. I'll guide you all to her in case you want to know more about criminal psychology.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଆପଣ
यस मैम
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
थैंक
ଇୟରରେ
यू
ଆମର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ବହୁତ ୟୁଜଫୁଲ ହବ ମାନଙ୍କ
ମୁଁ
ପାଇଁ।
କେମିତି ନେବି? ମୁଁ କେମିତି ନେବି? ଯାହା ମତେ ଦିଆହବ ମୁଁ ନେବି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମାନେ ଆମମାନେ ତ ଏଇଠି ତ 20 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ସରି ଜୁଲାଇ 2023 ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ପିଲା ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ପିଲା ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଏବେ ତ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ଅଲରେଡି ଏକ୍ସାମ ସରିଲା, ମାନେ ଆମେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟରରେ ଅଛୁ, ଏବେ ଏନରୋଲ କରି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସାରିଲୁଣି ଆମମାନେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, very
ତ
good. I wish to read more about the criminal psychology also. ଏବେ କହିପାରୁନି, but ତମକୁ କହିବି. ତମର future classes ବି ତମର ଯଦି ନେବି, if it has criminal psychology, I won't be able to teach. Criminal
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
psychology ମୁଁ କେବେ
मैम
ପଢେଇନି,
अलग
ତମର ଅଛି?
सब्जेक्ट हेले भी
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
चढ़िबो?
ମୁଁ
ହଁ, ଆଉ ସବୁ subjects ପଢେଇ ପାରିବି. Criminal psychology is
आगे
comparatively a very new field, I believe.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
यस
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏତେ
ମୋର ତ
କମ ଜାଗାରେ
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ
ଅଛି.
ମାନେ କ୍ଲିନିକାଲରେ ଅଛି, ତ କ୍ଲିନିକାଲ ଯେମିତି କି
Clinical
ମୁଡ୍
is my
ଡିସଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା।
specialization. Yes, that
ୟେସ୍
is my
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
specialization. I used
ମାନେ
to
ମୁଁ
teach
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
clinical also in university. Bani
ଆଚ୍ଛା
Bihar
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଛାଡିଦେଲି ଏବେ, ଛାଡିଦେଲି ମାନେ temporarily I have taken off because of my illness. But I
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
used to,
ବାଣୀ ବିହାରରେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କି ମାନେ ସେଇଠି ପିଏଚଡି ଅଛି, ମାନେ ବାଣୀ
ହଁ,
ବିହାର ୟୁନିଭରସିଟି ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ, ନା
ହଁ,
ଅଲଗା କିଛି ତାର କଲେଜ ଅଛି?
ନା. I was teaching in Bani Bihar. I was means still now. I mean, ଏବେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୋର ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେବା ପରଠୁ ମୁଁ off ନେଇଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
But I was a
ଠିକ ଅଛି
visiting faculty or guest faculty, what they call it.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍। ଏଇଠି
KIIT
ବି
ରେ ବି
ଆପଣ
ପଢେଇଛି.
ଇଗ୍ନୋରେ ବି
ଏଠି
ଭିଜିଟିଂ ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟି?
ଏଇଠି ବି guest କି visit ବି ଯାହା କୁହ, so ସେଇଆ.
ଆଚ୍ଛା 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 ଆଚ୍ଛା
କେବେ ମୁଁ permanent କାମ କରିନି କୋଉଠି. So I'm not tied to any
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୁଁ
particular
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
thing.
ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ ମାନେ ଗୁଗଲ କରିଥିଲି ତ, ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନରେ ତା ଉପରେ ବି ସବୁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ତ। ଆ,
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ସେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଓମେନ
ହୁଁ
ଆଉ
ହୁଁ ହୁଁ
ତାପରେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ବାଲା,
ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
କରୁଛି କାମ. It's still
ଆଜ୍ଞା
there.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ହୁଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ର
ତାଙ୍କର
ଇଏ
ଗ୍ରୁପ
ହଉଛି।
ଥେରାପିଜ ମୁଁ ନିଏ, ଗ୍ରୁପ ସେସନ୍ସ ଗୁଡା ନିଏ, ଯେତିକି ସବୁ ଝଗଡା ଫଗଡା ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ନିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ସେସନ୍ସ, because it's a residential program, so women are staying there, so you can imagine what kind of fights they must be having. ପୁରା 24 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଯଦି ଏକାଠି ରହିବେ, there will be fights, and sometimes there are abnormal situations also. Otherwise I
ଆଜ୍ଞା
don't poke my nose. They are
ଓକେ
given the freedom to choose their career, whatever they want to do, because they are the ones actually who are disowned by their own families. So we are giving them a step to climb and do whatever they want to study. It's a stepping stone, like to get launched into life again with the necessary knowledge that they need to know. So they go through different kinds of training.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay. Okay. ଏଇ ବର୍ଷର କୋର୍ସ ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି. Amaru? Or
Yeah,
any
ma'am.
other questions you have? Okay. So hopefully we'll see each other in next second year classes.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
take your theory classes, not practical anymore. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.